U.S. approval for tech transfer. The U.S. has authorized Holtec International to transfer unclassified small modular reactor (SMR) technology to three Indian private entities, Holtec Asia, Tata Consulting Engineers Ltd, and Larsen & Toubro Ltd. Peaceful use only. The SMR technology is strictly for peaceful civilian purposes, adhering to IAEA safeguards and excluding military applications. Revival of Civil Nuclear Deal. This move operationalizes the 2008 India's Civil Nuclear Deal by overcoming previous barriers to technology transfer. Private sector involvement. It marks the first direct U.S. technology transfer to Indian private firms, shifting from a state-controlled model to public-private partnership. Boost to indigenous capability. Facilitates local manufacturing of SMRs, positioning India as a potential hub for nuclear innovation and export. Regulatory hurdles. India's Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act, 2010, and Atomic Energy Act, 1962, pose challenges, with amendments being considered to enable private sector participation and allay foreign investment concerns. SMR advantages. SMRs offer fuel efficiency, scalability, passive safety, and low-carbon energy, making them suitable for diverse power systems and remote areas. Indian initiatives. India aims to develop at least 5 indigenously designed SMRs by 2033 and deploy Bharat Small Reactors (BSRs) as captive power plants for industries. Competing with China. The collaboration enables India and the US to compete with China's SMR ambitions. Conditions. Technology cannot be retransferred without US consent and is strictly for peaceful uses under IAEA safeguards, excluding enrichment or sensitive nuclear technology.